Today we are making two dishes using eggplant, Indian Baigan Bharta and Lebanese Baba Ganoush. These dishes are very distinct yet known to have few similarities. So let's find out which one tastes better. Start by roasting eggplants on high flame from all the sides, then cover and keep aside for some time. Remove the head, peel the skin off and mince it using a knife. We'll start with Baigan Bharta. For that, heat up some oil, add jeera, fry the onions, then add chopped green chilies and garlic, fry them for 2 minutes. Now goes in some chopped tomatoes and salt. Fry till tomatoes become soft, then add all the dry spices. Cook the spices for 2 minutes. Now add the baigan and mix everything well. Throw in some fresh coriander leaves and a baigan bharta is ready. For baba ganoush, you can mash it or simply use a blender for a smoother texture. Add tahini, some garlic, lemon juice, salt and blend it. Once that's done, add some finely chopped red bell pepper and parsley and mix well. Top it up with some extra virgin olive oil and some pomegranate seeds and it's ready. I grew up eating baigan bharta, so I obviously have a soft spot for it, but baba ganoush is a creamy, flavorful, excellent eggplant dip that you got to try if you haven't. So they both are a win-win for me.